Hello, I'm in a 2005 Subaru Baja, and today I'm going to show you the power steering fluid. So first open the hood, then towards the passenger side here, you'll find your power steering reservoir here. Now double check your owner's manual or good online source to make sure you've got the best liquid to match your make and model. And on the side, right down here, there's a full mark and a low mark. So you don't want it completely to the top. There is supposed to be some air gap. But that said, you might need to pull this air filter off too if needed, just to make this more accessible. But otherwise you'll just unscrew this cap, and either with a funnel or straight from your liquid jug fill is needed to around that full mark. Screw this back on nice and tight, and then put this back in place. And then from there, you hardly ever should have to add to the system, so I would double check around all the lines in the reservoir to make sure there's no cracks or leaks. And if there are, that's something you want to address. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.